Let's be real. Owning a firearm is only 10% of the equation. The other 90%, it's how you maintain it, how you carry it, and how you master it. Today, we aren't just looking at gadgets. We are looking at the top 20 professional-grade tactical essentials that will transform your shooting experience from amateur to elite. I've spent weeks vetting these, from weather-resistant cleaning stations to optics with 50,000-hour battery lives. These are the Amazon picks that the pros actually use. If you're in the USA or anywhere globally where performance matters, you cannot afford to skip these. Stick around for till the end, because they are absolute game changers for nighttime home defense. Let's get tactical. First, stop cleaning your guns on the kitchen table or a dirty rag. The Rush Creek Creations cleaning mat is a 69-inch beast made of weather-resistant wax canvas. It's got a soft wool interior that treats your finish like royalty while protecting your workspace from harsh solvents. It rolls up into a portable kit with a padded handle and internal pockets for your brushes. It's not just a mat, it's a mobile armory station. Where do you usually clean your gear? The garage, the kitchen, or the range? Tell me your setup below. If you're still hunting for your iron sights in a high-stress moment, you're behind. The UUQ Eagle C28 features shake-awake technology. It sleeps to save battery, but wakes up the microsecond it senses movement. With a massive 26mm lens and 50,000 hours of battery life, this is the budget-friendly optic that performs like a high-end reflex sight. 10 brightness levels, IPX7 waterproof. It's built for the grind. Red dots or iron sights? Which one do you trust your life with? Let's settle this in the comments. Carrying shouldn't be painful. The Alien Gear Shapeshift 4.0 is custom fitted for the P365XL, but modular for your lifestyle. It uses a neoprene backing that breathes and stays comfortable against your skin all day. No more holster itch. You can adjust the cant, the ride height, and the retention until it feels like a second skin. Made in Idaho, lifetime warranty. This is how America carries. What's your EDC? Everyday carry today. List your setup below. You cannot shoot what you cannot identify. If you own a Glock 43X or 48 MOS, the Streamlight TLR-7 X Sub is your mandatory upgrade. 500 lumens, 5,000 candela, and a beam that reaches 141 meters. It's ultra compact, fits perfectly on the subcompact rail, and features ambidextrous switches. It's the difference between seeing a threat and being in the dark. Light on the gun or a handheld flashlight in the other hand. Which is your preference? Comment below. Protect your hands without losing your feel for the trigger. The Mechanics Original Multicam gloves use 0.8mm synthetic leather and Trek Dry technology to keep your hands cool and nimble. They're touchscreen compatible, so you don't have to rip them off to use your GPS or phone. Durable, washable, and the industry standard for a reason. Do you shoot with gloves or barehanded? Smash that like if you prioritize hand safety. Your eyes are irreplaceable. The SDNGR Ridge sunglasses aren't just shades, they are ANSI Z87 Plus ballistic certified. They feature 110-degree hinges that make them virtually unbreakable. The RAZR lens technology enhances contrast, making targets pop in any light. Whether you're at the range or mountain biking, these stay locked on your face. Would you trust your eyes to $10 gas station glasses? Yes or no, be honest. Traditional bell holes are a nightmare for CCW. The EZO Ratchet belt gives you infinite adjustment. Whether you're carrying a full-size pistol or just finished a big lunch, you can adjust it one-handed with a click. It's 4mm thick nylon webbing, designed to hold the weight of your holster without sagging. Professional look, tactical strength. Leather belts or nylon belts for carry. Tell me which side you're on. Now we're getting serious. The SMS Laser HFXC is a 4-in-1 powerhouse. Green laser, IR laser, IR illuminator, and a 1,000 lumen light. This is for the night vision shooters and home defense specialists. It's made of anodized aluminum, IP67 waterproof, and syncs your lasers so you only zero once. This is high-end tech at an affordable price point. Green laser or red laser? Which one is easier for your eyes to pick up? Comment fire if you love green. If you're traveling or just want the best home storage, the Case Club Upgraded Gen 2 is it. It holds 4 pistols and 20 magazines in pre-cut military-grade foam. It's waterproof, dust-proof, and TSA approved for air travel. Plus, it comes with a rechargeable silica gel canister to stop rust before it starts. This is how you protect your investment. How many mags do you usually take to the range? 5, 10, or more? Let me know. Don't buy those cheap plastic kits that snap off inside your barrel. The Glorifire Elite kit uses reinforced brass rods and 18 professional-grade bronze brushes. From a .17 caliber to a 20-gauge shotgun, this covers everything. It's organized, labeled, and built to last a lifetime. A clean gun is a reliable gun. Don't settle for less. What's the hardest caliber to clean? Drop your cleaning horror stories below. Batteristi. Tritium doesn't. The Meprolite Tru-Dot sights are engineered in Israel and glow for 15 years straight without needing a single charge. During the day, they look like standard white dots, but in total darkness, they pop with a brilliant green glow. If you're running a Glock 17, 19, or 43X, this is the most reliable aiming solution for low-light defense. Do you prefer green, orange, or yellow rear sights? Tell me your favorite color combo below. Check this out. The Antrimag magnet mount has a 55-pound pull rating. That's enough to hold a loaded shotgun under your desk or a pistol against your car's center console. It's rubber-coated, so it won't scratch or slide, and it's low profile enough to hide anywhere. It's about having your protection exactly where you need it, exactly when you need it. Where's the most creative place you'd hide a magnet mount? Car, bedside, or office? Comment your stealth spot. We've all been there. The last 3 rounds in a Glock mag are a thumb killer. The Ludex Speed Loader fixes that. It's a 2-step mechanism that lets you load 9mm or .40 caliber mags in seconds without the fatigue. It fits almost every standard Glock mag and is built from heat-resistant polymer. Spend more time shooting and less time struggling with springs. How many mags do you usually burn through in one range session? Drop the number below. Stop carrying loose ammo boxes in a grocery bag. The MTM AC4C crate is USA made and comes with 430 caliber ammo cans inside a stackable carrier. Each can has an O-ring seal to keep moisture out and your powder dry. It's perfect for stacking in the safe or throwing in the back of the truck for a range day. Organization is the hallmark of a professional. What's your go-to caliber right now? 9mm, .223, or .45? Let's see what everyone's shooting. If your hands get sweaty, your accuracy drops. Talon grips are ultra-thin adhesive wraps, less than 0.5mm. That give your Glock a rock-solid texture. They are non-abrasive, so they won't chew up your skin or clothes, but they provide massive traction in rain or mud. It's the cheapest way to make a $500 gun feel like a $2,000 custom build. Granulate, sandpaper, or rubber texture. Which one do you prefer on your grip? Let's debate. Love your shotgun, but hate the shoulder bruise? The Limb Saver Airtech reduces felt recoil by up to 70%. Using Navcom technology, it dissipates the energy before it hits your body. It slips right onto your existing stock. No gunsmithing required. It's a game changer for long days at the clay range or high caliber rifle practice. What's the hardest kicking gun you've ever fired? Tell me the story in the comments. Save Your Equipment is the gold standard for bags. This Specialist Series case holds 2 handguns securely in a 600D PVC shell. It has dedicated slots for 6 magazines and a front pocket for your ears and eyes. The zippers are lockable, and the build quality is absolutely bulletproof. For $32, you won't find a better home for your pistols. Soft case or hard case for the range? Which one are you rocking? Let me know. This is the sling used by the U.S. Marines. The Vickers padded sling features a patented quick adjust tab. Pull it to tighten for carry, or loosen it instantly to go hot. The 2-inch padding makes carrying a heavy rifle all day feel like nothing. It's simple, it's durable, and it's made in the USA. If you own a rifle, you need this sling. 1-point, 2-point, or 3-point slings. Which one is superior? Comment your choice. The biggest excuse for not carrying is my outfit doesn't allow it. The VNSH belly band solves that. Whether you're in gym shorts, yoga pants, or a suit, this Cordura holster stays secure and comfortable. It fits 99% of handguns, and even has built-in mag pouches. It's breathable, moisture-wicking, and completely disappears under your shirt. What's your biggest challenge with concealed carry? Maybe I can help. Ask me below. We're closing out with a legend, the Bushnell TRS-25. This is widely considered the best bang-for-your-buck red dot in history. It's shockproof, waterproof, and holds 0 on everything from a .22 to a 12-gauge shotgun. With 11 brightness settings and 5,000 hours of battery life, it's the perfect entry point for anyone wanting an optic without breaking the bank. Is the TRS-25 the GOAT of budget optics? Yes or no? Let's see the votes. That is the full list, 20 products that take your tactical game to the elite level. Every single item we discussed today is linked in the description below. Don't forget, these links are the best way to support the channel, so I can keep bringing you this no BS gear testing. If this video helped you, hit the like button, and if you haven't yet, subscribe and join the crew. Check out my other videos on survival gear right here on the screen, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp, stay safe.